Hey, it's me again, and I'm going to introduce you to my dogs. Maddie, everyone says she's really cute. Todd has a funny personality. I mean, he's all like feisty and diva-ish when people first come over. But once people sleep over, the next day he's like, he's just a person, or they're just a person. So yeah, they kind of get used to him. Copper has two personalities. She's all innocent one when her ears are down, and then when her ears are perked up like this, when they're like this, she's like, oh, I'm so sweet, come pet me and everything. And when they're like this, she's like, okay, God, let's go on an adventure, because they're twins. So here you go, Maddie, Maddie. Here she comes, Maddie. Don't you run away from me. This this is Maddie. We got our little red sweater, as you can see. And she loves to lick. She loves to kiss. Anytime you blow on her face, you watch. She loves to lick you when you blow on her face. And this is, yeah, all my friends think that she's so cute and she's like the cutest dog ever and stuff like that. So yeah, this is Maddie. My dogs are playing, of course. Todd! Todd, come here. Come on. Yep. Good boy. Yeah, this is Todd, and he loves being pet and loved. And he just sits up on the couch like a normal person. He'll go like this and then he'll push off his front paws and sit on the thing and sit on the couch. And yeah, this is Todd. He loves to be pet on the belly. Right here. And he has better things to do. Obviously. Yeah, he just is uncomfortable in this position. And yeah, he loves being pet right there. Yeah. Okay, you can go now. You can go now. You can go now. Go on, Todd. Copper! Copper! Copper, come. Copper. Copper, come. Come on. Copper, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I'll pet you for a minute. Yes, good girl. Yeah, okay. Now come on. Yeah, now she jumps up on me. You gotta urge them first. Yeah, so this is Copper. And she is very, very cute. She is just so cute. I love her so much, and she is the one that has two personalities. See, right now her ears are back, and that's when she wants you to pet her and love her. And then when she walks away, she's gonna have her ears up, which means that she's all adventurous and she does a lot of mischievous things. And then once you're like, Copper, I know that you did it, and then she's like, oh no, I didn't do it. So she puts her ears back again and is like, I'm not innocent. Yeah, that's basically my my sisters and brother, my fellow doggies. Okay, you can go now. You can go. Hi, Copper. So yeah, those are my dogs. I'll see you next time. Bye.